Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Angelica, 35 years old, from Philippines. I am applying as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I have already an experience working in other country like Almaty, Kazakhstan as a nanny and tutor. I worked there as for 1 year, finished contract, and my employer did not able to pursue my another visa because of pandemic. And then the second experience as a domestic helper also, ma'am sir, is from Hong Kong. I also finished 1 year contract there because of some other mutual agreement with my employer, but I I go out in their house for good reason. Mm. And then now I am able to apply again in Hong Kong. I hope that I can get another good employer. I am a trustworthy, and you can count on me. I can manage time. I can manage time management. I am good with the kids because I also have two kids, ages 16 years old and 9 years old. Hoping for your consideration, sir, ma'am. I am a good employee. Thank you so much. Good day, ma'am, sir.